Hello, I'm Nenta. Konnichiwa. Today I will explain how to make this jiggle of ear jewelry. I'll explain from the separating illustration. I'm using Clip Studio for making a VTuber art. The construction is like this. So now I change the opacity, transparency of each reflect light. So 100% transparency is like this. I change the transparency, each reflect light's transparency for good looking. For making invert mask, I make this layer, the writing layer. This layer is so important. So all of jewelry parts like this, and I import these parts into Live2D Cubism. I'm using the latest version of Live2D Cubism, Live2D Cubism Editor 5.1. And I explain the parameter. So I made 6 parameters, and the first 2 parameter is normal parameter, and from 3 to 6, 6 parameter is blend shape parameter. Each motion right is like this. One and 2 parameter is rotation, and 3 and 4 parameter is jewelry direction. Left and right and up and down. And 5 and 6 parameter are flashing, changes the opacity of reflect light. And 6 parameter is using invert mask I explained before. I clipped this light parts on the center reflect light. I'm using invert mask, clip ID, and invert mask is like this. I change opacity. Opacity is 0%. And after finishing a setup parameters, I open physics settings. Result is like this. Please wait. I will show the group on earring jewelry. I will show you input and output parameter. The input is like this. Position y and x. Sorry, input is angle y and x. And normalization of input is like this. And the output is like this. Scale is 1.0. So result is like this. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. And sorry, my bad English. I will improve my English skill. So, if you think helpful this video, please please subscribe my channel. I also upload other tutorial video on my channel. じゃあ、さようなら。Give me a second. I want to introduce Live2D 3 I developed. So this site is collecting Live2D information like this. And I also classify these posts, YouTube video and Twitter posts, and by using tags. For example, you want to find for beginner tweet and videos, you select beginner tags and push the select tags. You can find for beginner tweet and videos. The users are posting new Live2D information on this site. So if you are interested in this site, please sign up this site. Thank you.